welcome to all. This is Ashwin. Today we will discuss about next numerical on Buckingham's pi theorem. Here next numerical is the frictional torque of this diameter rotating at a speed in the fluid of viscosity mu and density rho in a turbulent flow is given by, that is capital T is equal to d to the power 5 n to the power 2 into rho phi of in bracket mu upon d square into n into rho bracket close. Prove this by the method of dimensions. Solution. Here T is dependent variable on diameter, speed, mu and density. Therefore T is equal to f of d comma n comma mu comma rho, or f of 1 in bracket T comma d diameter comma speed comma mu comma rho equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Here from equation number 1 there are total number of variable is 5. Therefore total number of variable means small n equal to 5. Then dimension of each variable are expressed as the dimension of each variable in MLT form. T is equal to m into L to the power 2 t to the power minus 2 comma d is equal to L comma n is equal to t to the power minus 1, mu is equal to m into L to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1, rho is equal to m into L to the power minus 3. Number of fundamental dimension, that is m is equal to 3, and number of pi term means n minus m. Here total number of variable is 5 and dimension fundamental dimension is equal to 3. Therefore 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence the equation 1 can be written as f of 1 is equal to in bracket pi 1 comma pi 2 equal to 0. Here the number of pi term is equal to 2. Therefore we can write pi 1 and pi 2 only. If the number of pi term is equal to 3, therefore pi 1 pi 2 pi 3. If number of pi term is equal to 4, therefore pi 1 comma pi 2 comma pi 3 comma pi 4. But in this problem number of pi term is equal to 2. Therefore only write f of 1 in bracket pi 1 comma pi 2 equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Each pi term contain m plus 1 variable. M is fundamental dimension, or fundamental dimension is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4. Therefore total 4 variable. 3 variable are repeating variables, and choosing d, n and rho as a repeating variable, the pi terms are from now equation number 1 there are total number of variable is 5. Out of 5 choose 3 as a repeating variable. Then first dependent variable should not be chosen as a repeating variable, therefore T neglected. Remaining diameter, speed, mu and rho is here. Therefore out of these 4 D is the geometric properties, therefore we have to choose D as a repeating variable first. Second one is the flow properties, speed, mu and rho. Mu and rho is fluid properties, therefore neglect this one and choose n is the flow property, speed, therefore n is second variable, second repeating variable. And third one is mu and rho. Out of these two are rho is fluid properties, or we have to choose rho as third repeating variable. Therefore pi 1 term is equal to d to the power a1 n to the power b1 rho to the power c1 into t, because each pi term contain m plus 1 variable. Here m is a repeating variable, m is equal to 3, 1 2 3 and 1 means m plus 1, that is 4 variable. Therefore pi 1 contain 4 variable. Similarly pi 2, these 3 are the repeating variable, as it is d to the power a2 n to the power b2 and rho to the power c2. Only remaining in equation number 1 only remaining mu, therefore into mu. Then pi 1 term contain is equal to d to the power a1 n to the power b1 rho to the power 7 into t. Then substitute the dimension on both the side. We know pi 1 is dimensional system, therefore m to the power 0, L to the power 0, t to the power 0, and the dimension of d is equal to L to the power a1, dimension of n is t to the power minus 1 whole bracket b1, dimension of rho is m into L to the power minus 3 whole bracket c1. The dimension of torque, that is T is equal to m into L to the power 2 t to the power minus 2. Then equating the power of MLT on both the side, therefore first power of m, equating the power of m on both side. In left hand side m to the power is 0, therefore 0 in left hand side, which is equal to, in right hand side here m is 1, here m to the power 1 into c1, therefore only write c1 here, into this m to the power 1, there plus c1 plus 1, we get the value of c1 is equal to minus 1. Second, equating the power of L, in left hand side L to the power 0 or equal to 0 in left hand side, right hand side L to the power a1 means simply write down a1, here L to the power minus 3 into c1, therefore minus 3c1 plus here L to the power 2 means plus 2. From power of m we get the value of c1 is equal to minus 3. After putting the value of c1 in this equation, therefore we get the value of a1 means 3 into c1 minus 2, therefore value of c1 is equal to minus 1, therefore minus 1 into 3 minus 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus 5. We get the value of a1 is equal to minus 5. Then similarly, power of equating the power of t, left hand side t to the power 0, in right hand side here t to the power minus 1 into b1, therefore only write minus b1, here t to the power minus 2 means minus 2, therefore b1 is equal to minus 2. Then substitute the value of a1 b1 c1 in pi term, therefore pi 1 is equal to, pi 1 term contain d to the power a1 and to the power b1 root to the power c1 into t. Here put the value of a1 b1 and c1, therefore after putting the value of a1 b1 c1, pi 1 is equal to d to the power minus 5 and to the power minus 2 root to the power minus 1 into t. The next, this 3 term are in numerator, if we move this in denominator, therefore pi 1 is equal to capital T upon d to the power 5 into n to the power 2 into rho. This is the solution of pi 1 term. Second is pi 2 term. Pi 2 term is d to the power a2 n to the power b2 root to the power c2 into mu. Then substitute the dimension on both the side in MLT form, m0 l0 t0, because pi 2 term contain dimensionless term, therefore m0 l0 t0 is equal to, the dimension of d is l to the power a2, dimension of n is t to the minus 1 and dimension of rho is m into l to the power minus 3 into c2, and dimension of mu is m into l to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1. Here equating the power of MLT on both the side, first one equating the power of m on both side, therefore m to the power left hand side m to the power 0 is equal to, in right hand side here m to the power 1 into c2, therefore c2, here m to the power 1 plus c1, we get the value of c2 is equal to minus 1. Then equating the power of l on both side, in left hand side l to the power 0 means 0 is equal to, in right hand side l to the power a2, that is a2, here l to the power minus 3 times c2, then minus 3 times c2 into l to the power minus 1 in minus 1. Then after putting the value of c2, that is minus 1, we get the value of a2, therefore a2 is equal to minus 2. Here a2 is equal to 3c2 plus 1. After putting the value of c2, the c2 is equal to minus 1, therefore 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Here a2 is equal to minus 2. Then power of t, here left hand side the power of t is equal to 0, here right hand side minus 1 into b2 is simply minus b2, here t to the power minus 1 means minus 1, therefore we get the value of b2 is equal to minus 1. Then substitute the value of a2 b2 c2 in pi 2 term. Pi 2 term is d to the power a2 n to the power b2 root to the power c2 into mu. After putting the value of a2 b2 c2, here pi 2 is equal to d to the power minus 2 n to the power minus 1 and root to the power minus 1 into mu. Therefore pi 2 is equal to mu upon d square into n into rho. After moving this numerator in denominator, we get the value of pi 2 is equal to mu upon d square into n into rho. Then substitute the value of pi 1 and pi 2 in equation number 2. In equation number 2, pi of f of 1 in bracket, here the value of pi 1 and here the value of pi 2 equal to 0. Put the value of pi 1 is t, capital T to the power k upon t upon d to the power 5 into n to the power 2 into rho, comma mu upon d to the power 2 n into rho equal to 0, or it can be written in the form of t upon d to the power 5 n to the power 2 n into rho is equal to phi of second pi 2 term as it is mu upon d square into n into rho. Therefore capital T is equal to, therefore capital 2 is equal to this value is multiplied by this one, therefore d to the power 5 into n to the power 2 into rho into phi of in bracket mu upon d square into n into rho. This is your answer. So thank you very much.